Park Gyu-young confirmed as female lead of Today's Lovely Dog to co-star with Jeonwoo. The agency of Park Gyu-young confirmed her casting in upcoming K-drama Today's Lovely Dog. Actress Park Gyu-young, who has been rumored to star in the upcoming K-drama Today's Lovely Dog, officially confirmed her appearance. The series Today's Lovely Dog is an unpredictable fantasy romance story, which follows a woman cursed to turn into a dog when kissed, and a man who is afraid of dogs. It is based on a popular webtoon of the same name. According to the production company behind this K-drama, Jeonwoo and Lee-hyun will play the male lead Jin-seon and the second male lead Lee Bok-yeom, respectively. Meanwhile, Park Gyu-young has just been confirmed as a major cast member. In Today's Lovely Dog, Park Gyu-young will assume the role of Hannah, a teacher who seemingly has the perfect life since she's pretty, smart, and pleasant to be with. However, she suffers from a curse and faces the biggest crisis of her life after kissing Jin-seon. Park Gyu-young previously appeared in Dolly and the Cocky Prince, The Double Judge, Sweet Home, and It's Okay to Not Be Okay. The first filming session of Today's Lovely Dog is begin in October. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoy this video. See you next time.